everything, but the GoPro's gonna die, guys, because I suck at planning. But we are on our way to Honda Fest, so I'll try to film some clips there. I'm gonna charge up the one battery I got, and I won't waste too much, but we're gonna make it there. 2022 Honda Fest, so hopefully we might see some of you guys there. Alrighty, everybody, we have arrived. Waiting in line to get in, so we're gonna have some time while we wait to get in, get situated, and yeah, get in the show. Definitely a decent line here, so 20 minutes in line and we'll get in. I don't know, I'll show you guys around. Alright, so we're here, posted up, got the tent, everybody coming in. We are right at the entrance, guys. Perfect spot. There's drifting going on. I think we're gonna head over there in a minute to go watch. That's gonna be pretty sweet. All the cars coming in over here, so it's looking pretty good. Got a good turnout. I'll take you guys around to see some of the cars for sure. Looks good, guys. Here we are. Cleaned up pretty decent. Not too bad. I'm not going crazy. I did a little touch up in the front, make it look better, but nothing too crazy. A little tire shine, you know. Gotta get it looking right. Naomi's over there chilling. So yeah, we're just hanging out, just relaxing after the long ride. We'll get over there and watch the drifting pretty soon. It's raining on and off, but we're gonna head over there. How'd he do at H-Day? Second place. Second place. Honda No Crust. Huh? Oh, that one was right there, second place. Oh, this is 22. Oh, that was Honda Fest? H-Day. Third place? Nice. Wow, I guess I can't read. That looks good though. Nice. Nice little K-Series action. It's Integra. Looks so sick. It looks like my car. I always feel like my car's got like a similar front end look to that.
Oh, I can see why people ask me.
Yeah, if it's looks like an Integra. There's an Accord over there. That's my same body style right there. It's got an H-Day badge too over there. No. Nice. Take a little clip. Nice CRX here. A couple of wagons. Look at that old Civic.
Yo, what's up with Miami? They giving you the sauce right now. Are you hurt by that? Miami, dog. Miami. How y'all gonna allow Tom Brady to get transferred? Come on, man.
of this thing.
Yo, he got
That's
the
sick.
Crocs in sports mode. He put his Crocs back to regular mode.
Got the Gato intake. I've heard of that intake before. That's cool.
What was that, ketchup? You got ketchup in there, man? Keep it real, ketchup.
This is the one he was talking about, right?
I've been holding
This
that
is?
one in for a year. Pull up your pants. Let me see your tan line. Look.
Get my drink. What do you think of Honda Day? Honda Fest, I mean.
Yeah, we missed Honda Day, and I didn't even register for Honda Fest. So, unfortunately, I didn't register. I didn't know you had to register
To place.
to be in the show. So, kind of my fault. I guess I'm dumb, but that's all good. We'll be back next year. It'll be great. Oh well. But we're gonna leave now. We'll get a little footage of leaving here, and we'll have a good time. We're gonna miss him.
I'm gonna go around this. They were talking.
What up?
You want me to get up?
No, it's fine.
Oh, this bridge is sketchy.
Still recording, yeah. Here, Will, take the camera.
What do you want me to do?
Just film me.
I'm not good at this.
Just point it at the car.
Is this even recording? I don't even know. He said record the car. Doesn't offer me a ride or nothing. Just record the car. Wow.
Thanks, Will.
Maybe I'll do a. Hold on. Wow. That was great.
Is it cool?
Yeah. I have no idea if it's recording or not.
It is. You did great, Will. Thanks.
You want me to end it?
It's a good workout.
Yeah, he's got to run. Where's your
Yeah.
car?
Let me just hop on the hood real quick.
Yeah, dude.
Dude.
Shots fired.
Shots fired.
There she is. Alrighty. Honda Fest 2022. Wrapping it up. Just headed out of here now. Got Will tailing behind. people last year.
More people last year.
I think so too. I think it was like post-COVID last year and everybody was crazy to get out of the house.
Yeah.
This time it was
And it's also a Sunday this time.
Yeah, was it Saturday last year?
I think so.
Might have been. Yeah, Sunday's hard. Especially people are coming from far away.
Mm-hmm.
No, it's this way. It's all good. Don't worry about that. I got it. Liquor on the whole time. Oops. That was sweet. I definitely saw a little bit of smoke coming out of the hood. I don't know if that's like an exhaust leak. Probably.
Oh,
I haven't seen that yet. A little oily. Well, now we're heading home. That's that, guys. So guys, that just about sums up Honda Fest this year. Once again, no trophy due to my own stupidity. I didn't know you had to register. I thought this sticker meant I was registered. Although, how would they know any of my info? I guess. I get it. But somebody should have told me. I don't know. I feel like I was wronged. But it's okay. I'm over it. Next year will be better. Next year we'll actually enter the show. Yeah, alright, I'm gonna stop talking about it. Anyway, yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the Honda Fest content. I had a good time there, and I did really enjoy my time there. It was fun, just like it always is. So hope to see more of you guys there next year, and hopefully next year we can take home a win or something of that nature. Not that that's everything to me, but I've never won anything car-related, like any awards or anything. So I'd like it. It means something to me. It does. So it's cool. Some people are like, oh, I'm not in it for the trophy, and like, I'm not either, but it would be cool. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, anyway, that's that. Stay tuned, guys. There'll be a vlog coming up hopefully this week, and I'll try to fix this car. And gotta do a wheel speed sensor on the truck. The wheel speed sensor is bad, and every time I stop, it's ABS activating, which is annoying. Tons of stuff to fix in the Honda. I'm thinking about stuff to do right now. But yeah, stay tuned. We'll get some of this stuff worked out. Peace.